Hello, everyone! We're here for the daily safety check.
Safety check. Just means more waiting.
Okay, team. Today's lesson is about safety cones. Cones are like a warning. Be careful! Don't come here!
Cones are just in the way. They slow us down.
Cones are very important for traffic safety. They protect everyone, Bruner.
Stay safe, Bruner, and watch out for wet cement! Now we can finally get some REEL work done! And fast! Oh, come on! The path I need is right on the other side! See? It looks fine to me, just a little sticky. There! Path is clear! Come on, Micky! I found a super fast shortcut! Follow me! Ooh, a shortcut! Micky loves shortcuts! Right behind you!
Whoa! I'm stuck! Oh no! Micky! Stop spinning your wheels! You're sinking!
I can't reach you! It's too sticky!
Oh no! The cones! This is all my fault!
Jin! Help! It's an emergency! Micky is stuck!
Rescue team, let's roll to the rescue! Bruner! What happened to the safety cones?
He's in deep, Polly! Right in the middle!
I'm scanning the concrete's viscosity. Oh no!
The concrete is hardening. Viscosity is increasing.
Got Micky! Make it tight! Hold on tight!
Oh no! My wheels! I'm sinking too!
Stop, Roy! You'll only get stuck deeper! He has no traction!
Traction. That's the grip your tires need to push or pull.
I know! The site has heavy-duty steel traction pads.
Helly, get your harness. Bruner, help Jin get those pads ready.
Bruner.
Okay, perfect! Perfect! I've got it!
Coming in, Roy! Get ready! Perfect, Helly!
Activating! Stabilizer jacks!
It's all about SU port. The jacks and pads spread Roy's weight out.
Okay, Micky, this is it. Mega-Winch, P-U-L-L.
I'm moving! I'm moving!
He's free! You did it, Roy!
You're safe, Micky, but you're gonna need a really big wash. Jin, Poli, I'm sorry. I thought I was being fast, but I just made a big mess. Safety rules aren't there to slow you down. They're there to protect you and your friends.
Remember, everyone, always follow the safety signs.
Wait, everyone! What's that sound? His backup alarm is broken! Titan, stop!
I've got it! Are you two okay?
It's heavy. Roy can't hold it forever.
Stop, Bruner! You're making it worse!
The wall has lost its integrity. We need to support it from the outside. Engineering. We need to build buttresses. Angled supports that push against the wall.
See you next time, heroes!
Yuri! Let's be safe together! Bye-bye!